Hello students, today I will discuss with you chapter 7 computer virus. This chapter covers under your third term syllabus. So computer virus is a program generally written into the some program language such as assembly, C, Visual Basic and Java. Okay, a computer virus is a program which is designed to perform undesired and miscellaneous actions by replicating and attaching itself to other programs. Viruses are created in order to gain an illegal entry into a computer and obtaining or destroy some vital information. Okay, earlier I have told you it is a program. When you entered your computer, your files, programs, folders automatically destroyed by the use of this computer program virus. Okay, virus we cannot see, but we able to see some of files are there, like Windows GUI, Trojan horse virus, like other viruses also available. They are working internally into the hard disk and destroy our system working performance and files and program application also. Okay, what does a computer virus do? Viruses are written to alter the computer system adversely without the knowledge of the user. The amount of destruction caused by virus varies widely. Some viruses display pictures or messages on the screen. Okay. On the other hand, other viruses can be extremely destructive, using the data on the hard disk or corrupting programs. Or periodically, it start working internally into the hard disk. After infecting a system, a virus tries to take control of the system and replicate by making copies of itself, and also tries to carry out harmful tasks written into the program. A virus cannot spread into the system by itself. It tries to attach itself to another program in order to spread. Some viruses are programmed to attractive at a present time. They check the system clock continuously, and when the present time matches the system time, they harm the computer system. Computer virus dispute the system by deleting the present in the system, formatting the hard disk, overwriting the system BIOS. BIOS is a chipset of our computer, overwriting the BIOS, and completely disabling the computer. The virus harmful effects of various are listed here. Okay, some of work by doing with the help of virus: corrupting the data or program files, increasing the size of the file by attaching themselves to the files. Okay, automatically match with the files, and we will see the file size increasing and hard disk space occupying by the virus. Interface with the display, formatting the hard disk, thus destroying the data, infecting disks by corrupting boot sector. The boot sector of the hard disk contains special programs that are required to start up the computer system. Sometimes we'll see computer does not boot. That time may be infected with the boot sector virus that lock the boot file, and computer unable to boot to find out desktop background. Okay, showing down the system by corrupting most of the memory space, scrambling file names by manipulating the directory contents, renaming all files with a single name. Okay, we can create some files, and automatically we will see the files are renamed by some other machine language. This type of problems can be happen when infected virus into the computer. How does a computer virus enter the system? Virus usually enter the computer system through external sources such as infected pen drive, as all of you know. Okay, whenever we use pen drive one system to another system, if one system is virus infected, then automatically transfer another system virus when we insert same infected pen drive to the other system. Okay, no need to open your files. Whenever we enter infected pen drive to any system, automatically transfer the file into the hard disk. Okay, the various ways through which viruses can enter into the system are virus can enter the system when the system is booted with the infected pen drive. Already told you. Some virus infected the system when a file is copied from an infected disk or a pen drive. If you copy one CD, that system, if virus infected, then whenever we run same CD in another system, automatically transfer file to the another system. Some virus infected even when there is an attempt to erase the content of an infected disk or a pen drive. Virus can also pass from one computer to another when data or program are accessed on a network or file is downloaded from the internet. More a system comes in contact with the internet with infected pen drives, the higher is the risk of is being infected by a virus. Okay, virus may be infected. Virus can be passed from a one computer to another computer through using of network. Okay, through network means we are transferring the file once in another system, or if you are doing internet network, then virus may be infected in your system. If a virus is in the network, it tries to locate the computer data prone to various attacks. The main purpose to infect as many systems as possible. It infects a system by attaching itself to the file in the computer. Antivirus is main target is that it infected to the other system and creating the problems in normal system. Types of computer virus. Computer virus can be classified into various categories. Okay, boot sector virus, program virus, strength virus, multiplet virus, macro virus. Okay, boot sector virus. This type of virus hides in the boot sector of the hard disk or a pen drive and infected the startup instruction required to boot the system. Program virus. This is the most infectious type of computer virus. It usually resides inside the memory. It infects the executable files such as .com and exe. Okay, if you want to open your file, you will see your file execute to .com or your file execute to exe. You will not able to open same file if infected any virus in your program. Next, stretch virus. This type of virus attempts to hide the presence. Some of the simple techniques include hiding the change in data and time and hiding the increase in the file size. Okay, you will see your file size is increasing, or otherwise you will not able to see the file size if infected stress virus into your file system. Multi-party virus. This virus can infect both of the boot sector of the hard disk as well as the executable file. Executable file means which files we open and try to install any program application. That file is called exe file, executable file. It is the worst virus because it can combine a lot of techniques to prevent its detection. The example of multi-party virus are gooseball, inverter, flip and technual. Macrovirus. This type of virus infects data files. For example, the virus can attach itself to a word processing or spreadsheet. Word processing means MS Word file, spreadsheet means Excel file. Okay, Word and Excel as the macro. Macrovirus saved sequence of commands which can be played back with a single command or keyboard stroke. Once a file is issued, it replaces one of the Word or Excel standard macros with an infected version, which can then infect all subsequent documents. For example, the macrovirus are WM, Concept A, and Melissa. Thank you all. Next video I will discuss with you remaining pages of this chapter. If you have any doubts, you may write comment in the comment box.